Off all items in store.
We didn't know there was a Bucky's in Georgia, and I felt like this was a really good place to start this video since Bucky's is pretty awesome. We're about, what, 2-3 hours away from our destination?
2.5, yeah.
2.5 hours away. These guys stayed awake and drove for 3.5 hours already. And I was watching the baby, and I took one for the team and fell asleep, so that way the baby would fall asleep after like watching me. So I took one for the team, but I also stayed up to like 4 editing videos. Still haven't told you guys what we're getting, but it is for SEMA, and it's gonna be pretty sweet. Matt, are they ready for the new SEMA purchase?
I don't think they're ready.
I don't think we're ready either.
I don't think we are either.
Y'all want to see? Stan, are they ready? They're not ready? All right, y'all want to see it? Boom! Look what's attached to the tow peg. It's actually a tow peg now. I gotta get in. Well, actually, no. Matt's gonna learn today. First time driving a gooseneck. Shoot, I've only driven a gooseneck once, so probably like a 20, maybe 30 footer. 25. Okay. But I mean, Matt's had a boat before, so he like knows how to.
Hey, it definitely turns easier than the LLY.
Yeah. So I don't think I got it on film yesterday, but we were hauling that small little trailer. The LLY is so wide and the tire is so wide that it's so hard to maneuver that trailer. Oop. It's a tow pig, it's a dually. It can handle it.
Go ahead, start chasing it. All right.
There you go. See? It's like riding a bicycle. You know, he had a boat that he towed with, so now he we're all gonna go to like an empty parking lot and start just practicing how to drive, backing these up and doing parallel parks and whatnot, because I think we're all gonna try to get our CDLs. So one of the requirements is like learning how to do parallel parking with one of those. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see us like doing some practice. I'm probably gonna need a lot of practice. Expert, but goosenecks are usually easier to maneuver.
The longer the trailer,
yeah,
the easier it actually is to turn and maneuver, because
right.
The turns are slower. The shorter the trailer is, the more it'll jump away from it and turn real fast.
Except the LLY, because you turn the steering wheel 4 times and my wheel has just moved. Yes. It sucks.
Yes,
okay, tow pig. Although this thing's got plenty of power, we're gonna add a little bit more before SEMA.
It's an empty trailer.
Yeah.
So
right, let's go. Uber XL.
SEMA Uber. Hey, we need to get something on the side right here.
SEMA Uber, yes.
50% off all items in store.
Just say grab and go.
Just grab and go.
Yeah, 5-figure discount. There's a lady right there.
Free grab and go fudge now available at the counter. Please come in and try some of our lovely fudge. Grab and go, courtesy of Bucky's 5-figure discount sale.
Nobody's around.
Be careful with those chairs.
Be careful with those chairs.
Please no leaning on the wall.
Please no leaning on the walls.
Tell this lady thank you for shopping at Bucky's.
Thank you for shopping at Bucky's.
She got a kick out of it. Need a ride?
No, that would just be creepy. Like three dudes in a truck.
That would be creepy.
You need a ride? No.
Hell
I'm
to
good.
no, no.
I'm good. Thank you. Please make sure you scoop your poop. And thank you for shopping at Bucky's.
Thanks for pooping at Bucky's.
Thanks for pooping at Bucky's.
I can get it from here. It's a Chevy pulling a Ford. Nothing new. Nothing new here, folks. Just good old Chevy pulling a Ford. Found on the road dead. Thanks to Saturn. This is a big old trailer. First, Jimmy gave me this awesome shirt. Can you hold the shirt for me?
Yeah. I got one.
We gotta show the shirt before we show the powder coat.
Yeah.
First, like how sick is that design? That's a gun and a powder. Yeah, so if you guys need any kind of powder work done like this,
Yeah.
come check out Jimmy Rivers.
Amazing work.
Bro, they got this done in one day.
Yeah. So we dropped this off. It was a rush job. Obviously, we were crunch like crazy, and so we dropped this off to them Thursday evening. And this afternoon, when my wife brought some more parts in, it was already hanging on the rack done. So it was done between Friday and today because they're off Saturdays.
Right.
So it was literally 1 day done, including all of this stuff that's illusion. And it's like, I mean, take it from this side, you can actually get to see how nice this coat is.
Dude, let me get it with my iPhone. Dude, look at that sparkle. Holy cow.
Yeah. Axle tubes like glass, man.
It looks like somebody painted it and did like clear over
Clear
it.
and then polished all the clear off. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this looks insane.
Yeah, it's gonna look. Hobbs chase rack is here. I got a whole bunch of parts up under here that are going with it. Dust shields and stuff under there. We can pull this stuff apart. We can get this out of the way.
Oh, the leaf springs.
Leaf springs are in there.
Dude,
So some of the
sick.
leaf springs are here, and then the rest of them. So we're going with stack colors. And these are the two chase rack pieces. Freaking gorgeous.
So let me tell you guys like how thankful we are of Jimmy Rivers. Dropped it off Thursday, literally like probably around 5:30, right before they were closing. They promised, hey, we'll get it done for you by Wednesday, which still is a really quick turnaround time. Yeah. We're like, okay, cool, like we have a lot of components. So Wednesday, for it to be done on Wednesday is what to be expected, right?
What's your average time?
For all these components.
Yeah.
And then Jimmy called Stan today?
Yeah.
And was like, we'll have it ready by the end of the day, which today is Monday. So they worked on this Friday and got it done today. So in 2 days they got it done. And Friday they were like, yeah, we're taking a half day, we'll have it done for you on Wednesday. Very unexpected, but it's a very good news.
So this is some of the the other stuff, like even like base hardware. So that's the hardware that was raw steel.
Yeah.
We dropped it off and like smooth, nice black, make it look like a factory type finish.
And you wanted the satin like matte black finish too.
Yeah.
You didn't want gloss.
No, I didn't want gloss on these because these actually go where the underneath the bed rails right there and we'll attach that chase rack up. So since my bed liner, the factory bed liner is already black and it's like a flat color anyway. It matches, it sits up in there and kind of hides that
yeah, we didn't want black because, or we didn't want gloss black because we didn't want it to stand out at all.
Yeah.
We want it to be like as invisible as possible. So
it's supposed to look like it's built as part of the truck.
Dude, I still can't believe the finish on this powder coat.
Yeah, it's so slick. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I'm in love.
This looks like wet paint.
Yeah.
It's like if I touch it, I feel like it's just wet. Oh my god!
Right here, those are the dust shields. Our leaf springs right here. So if you notice, we don't have enough leaf springs, and that's because the rest of them are actually hanging on the rack over here.
It's gonna be a different color.
Yeah. So we've got. These just come out.
Those just came out. They're mine.
Okay.
The other ones haven't cooled completely down either. So
Yeah.
Holy cow, that looks good.
Yeah. So.
Dang.
Yeah, we got the nice and fresh, clean looking like.
Are those yours too?
Yeah, those are going in. Those are grill components from the bumper. That's the license plate keys. That's just powder coat, all that stuff.
All right.
And that's obviously can't do without gin wire. Oh, by the way, my other gin wire's like right there.
Yeah.
those have been stripped. They have not been sandblasted. Dark.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
These ones. That'll do the gin wire step.
Oh yeah.
And go ahead and get that one powdered up and match that massive hitch over there. And then
that 18-inch hitch over there, that's gonna get stripped and powder coated.
Yep. And then these are all the overlays that go across the frame, which I took them yesterday, laid them on, lined them up, drilled out the holes for them. So as soon as they come back from powder, they'll be able to. We got all the hardware already. They sent it with the hardware. They just didn't pre-drill the holes, so we had to drill everything on the truck.
Cool.
I think the only thing that I want to take and bring back when we do put the rear end up is the actual flange for the yoke.
Yeah.
So we'll have to take those clips out and pull the yoke out of there and bring that over, have the powder go that, and put the yoke back on it. So that's goes from candy red to instant chrome because we're gonna polish the drive shafts this weekend.
Gotta polish the drive shaft.
So,
dude, this is sick.
yeah, there's the flake right there.
Dude, look at the flake on that thing.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
These are hot. So these just came out of the oven. Like we're literally picking stuff up. It's like
Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see that.
Super flake.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah, looks good. Like this is oh, Jason's here. I'm gonna tell him to go around back.
All right.
Here comes the fun part, is loading this thing up.
Whew. Now that everything's powder coated, we gotta be like 10 times more careful. But y'all, just seeing this, it really makes me want to powder coat my leaf springs too. But I mean, they do all kinds of stuff here. They do furnitures, they do signs, fences. I mean, they powder coat anything you need, right? You can even bring a toolbox and get it powder coated here if you wanted to. But mainly Jimmy Rivers, they focus a lot on go-karts. So if y'all are into go-karting, you probably already know Jimmy. But if you ever need anything for your go-karts, make sure to hit up Jimmy Rivers. I need a shirt. It's a fresh shirt. Actually, I'm gonna put it on now. Tow pig is here.
I didn't see that black tip on there.
Me either.
Yeah.
We need to start making those. He's got a Banks diff cover too.
Yeah. The other day.
I thought he had a Mag High Tech one. Huh. What's up, buddy?
What's up, bud?
You ever get that light fixed up?
No.
Still on?
I was looking at the little things on Amazon and
yeah,
like $100. I just haven't got around to ordering one yet.
What?
those rock lights don't turn off.
Oh,
Well, that's a
oh,
true-
what you call it? The ECU?
Yeah.
Yeah. They take it like a second to like swap out.
Yeah, that's. I mean, I see they're kind of like a plug and play thing, but
Yeah, that's it.
I just hadn't got around to ordering one.
Well, that's a true testament to see how long my rocket lights last.
Yeah.
It's been on non-stop. Like it hasn't turned off in 2 weeks.
Probably 2 or 3 weeks.
Right. It's just been on for 2 weeks straight. And they're still working. So there's a quality test right there.
How many hours do you get out of the
Right? Because usually if you don't turn it off, they don't overheat, burn the LEDs and stuff like that. But so far it's good.
Powder coat
RegTech?
Rexay, look at that thing.
Oh, that's badass.
That's the BFG cover right there. That's what it's done.
Like I said, they do everything here.
I got that blanket back there for the. Oh shit! Yeah. That looks good as fuck.
Isn't that beautiful?
It's like wet paint. Yeah. Dripping all the way down the road.
That is fucking gorgeous, dude.
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe.